Okay, we now proceed to accounting for scrap materials. The difference between scrap materials and waste materials is that these scrap are leftover materials with further use. Either they can be sold or they may be put back into the process. In the case of waste materials, these are leftover materials without further use. The accounting for scrap will depend on whether the scrap has the significant, or rather the value is significant or material, or it has the stable market or none at all. If the value of the scrap is material or significant or has a stable market, we will account for the scrap when recovered. And then the accounting for the revenue from scrap either as other income or as reduction in manufacturing manufacturing cost. If the revenue from scrap is treated as other income, and upon recovery of the scrap, we recognize natin yung scrap material as an asset dahil material in amount, significant, may market, so pwedeng recognize as an asset, inventory ng scrap material. May probable na economic benefit, kaya nung na-recover yung scrap, i-recognize natin siya as an asset, debit scrap materials. Ang credit ngayon ay depende kung treated as other income or reduction in manufacturing costs. If treated as other income, credit other income. If treated as reduction in manufacturing costs, either credit work in process, if recovered from specific job, or credit to factory overhead control if not identifiable to any job. And of course, when sold, debit to cash or AR, and credit scrap materials. Now, if the value of this scrap is immaterial or insignificant, there's no stable market. When scrap is recovered, there's no accounting recognition. Of course, the scrap is physically there, but there's no accounting recognition na gagawin. We will wait for the sale of this scrap. When sold, and the revenue from scrap is treated as other income, the entry is debit to cash or AR and credit other income. If treated as reduction in manufacturing costs, ang credit natin either work in process or factory overhead control, depende kung recovered from specific job or hindi ma-identify kung anong job. So sa method na to, pag na-recover yung scrap, walang entry gagawin. Hindi kailangan mag-inventaryo ng scrap as an asset. Kasi walang katiyakan nga kung mabebenta yan or hindi. There's no market, immaterial yung amount. We will wait pag nabenta talaga. Pag nabenta, ayun, i-accounting natin. Kasi hodang ang sale niyan is sa susunod na accounting year, future accounting period, it's all right. That is the accounting kapag ang value ay insignificant or immaterial, no stable market.